La la la! What a beautiful day! Wow! A shiny golden carrot! This doesn't belong to me. I should find its owner. Hello, Benny! Is this golden carrot yours?
But thank you for being honest.
You're welcome. I'll keep looking. Hello, Millie. Did you lose this golden carrot? No, Rosie. It isn't mine. I hope you find the owner. Thank you. I won't give up. Hi, Freddie. Do you know whose carrot this is?
Yes, I think it belongs to Farmer Oliver.
Thank you. I'll take it to him right away. Excuse me. Are you looking for this golden carrot?
Thank you, Rosie. You're very honest.
I'm happy to help.
These carrots are for you.
Thank you. Let's share them with everyone. Hooray!
Honesty always brings happiness. The end.